Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Time to talk about aggressive growth stock picks now with Bill Wilton, our aggressive growth stock strategist. Boy, that's a lot to say. At Zacks.com. Got a couple of interesting picks here. Linear Technology, LLTC, the ticker symbol. I guess they're in linear technology.
They are. What they do is they're actually a chip maker, but they provide integrated circuits to a variety of different industries, PCs, automotive, industrial applications, even some military applications that you'll find their products in. Most recently, they reported their quarterly results on July 20th. It was a fantastic report. They had two of the aspects that I look for the most. The first was they beat earnings estimates. So they reported 54 cents, which came in about 3 cents ahead of what analysts were expecting. That's obviously what we want to see, but the most important part is they gave a bullish forecast moving forward. What they're expecting is about 4 to 7% growth in revenues, and that puts the bottom range about $20 million above what analysts were currently expecting at that time. So, as you would expect, we saw a rush of estimate revisions. 27 of the analysts were quick to go ahead and submit higher guidance, and obviously that's going to affect the stock price and the Zacks rank. So it bumped it up to that number one ranking, which is obviously a prestigious thing here. But also, even though that the stock has pushed through and set a new 52-week high, shares are still trading at a pretty decent value, just 13 times those forward estimates.
All right. And then another one, 99-cent only stores, NDN, the ticker symbol. So there is something less than a dollar store.
There is. It's only a matter of time before it's 98 cents. But obviously you can tell that they are a steep discount retailer. They operate almost 300 stores across the Southwest, predominantly in the California area. But you know, it's no secret. People are cash strapped right now, and they're looking for the best value they can get. And you know, they're still going to need to buy some necessities, so they'll go to a store like a 99 cents only store. Recently, they reported their sales results on July 8th. They saw a 2.7% increase in same-store sales. And that's a very bullish sign, obviously, going into their earnings report, which is coming up in early August.
Okay.
But the one thing that I did like is their same-store sales rose on both customer traffic and the average ticket. So more people are going there, and the more people that are going there, they're also spending more. So those are the two metrics that you usually look at on these retailers. They also mentioned that they'd like to expand their footprint by about 5% throughout the rest of 2010. So they're also going to be growing, physically. So they're going to have more stores, more people to go into. They did slip to a Zacks number 2, actually today, July 27th, which is not very alarming though, because they're so far removed from their latest earnings report. We're probably going to see a lot of estimate revisions coming once they go ahead and report their next quarterly announcement. But I think this chart actually paints a perfect picture for why 99-cent store is a great stock, because you can see the gradual slope heading higher for these full-year consensus estimates. Each colored line here is a Zacks consensus estimate for that respective year. They did have a dip, but you can see that the steady, consistent increase is what we really like to see in earnings. That means the company is running smoothly, and hopefully they're going to be continuing that pattern on into the future.
Do you own either of these two?
I do not.
All right. If you would like to check out more Zacks Rank Buy stock pick ideas, go to our homepage, Zacks.com. Up in the upper right-hand corner is where we put 4 new stock pick ideas for you daily, one in each of the investing categories written about on Zacks.com. Bill's category, aggressive growth, not excluded, included as a matter of fact. With Bill Wilton, I'm Terry Ruffalo.